Have you ever been so afraid of losing someone or something that your heart feels tight, even when everything seems okay? Fear of losing is a quiet feeling, but it is very strong. It can sit inside you all day. You wake up with it. You go to sleep with it. Sometimes you do not even know why it is there, but you feel it in your chest. You feel it in your thoughts. You feel it in the way you look at the people you love. You might be afraid of losing a person you care about, a friend, a partner, a family member. You look at them and think, what if one day they are not here anymore? What if they change? What if they leave? These thoughts can come when you least expect them. You can be laughing, smiling, or having a good day, and suddenly the fear appears. Fear of losing can make love feel heavy. You love someone, but you are also scared. You want to hold them close, but you are afraid to hold too tight. You might worry too much. You might overthink small things. A late message, a short reply, a quiet moment. Your mind starts to ask questions that hurt your heart. Sometimes fear of losing is not about people. It can be about time, youth, dreams, chances. You may feel afraid of losing who you are, afraid of losing your strength, afraid of losing your place in the world. You look at your life and think, am I running out of time? Am I doing enough? Am I becoming someone I don't recognize? This fear can make you tired, very tired. You try to protect everything. You try to control the future. But the future does not listen. The more you try to hold on, the more scared you feel. And sometimes you feel alone with the thoughts because it is hard to talk about them. But fear of losing also shows something important. It shows that you care. It shows that something in your life matters to you. You do not fear losing things that mean nothing. You fear losing what is precious, what touches your heart, what makes your life feel real. It is okay to feel this fear. You are human. You are not weak for feeling it. Many people feel the same way, even if they do not say it out loud. Behind many smiles, there is fear. Behind many strong faces, there is a soft heart that is scared to lose. Sometimes the fear is telling you to be present, to look at the person in front of you, to feel the moment, to say what you feel, to love a little more honestly. Because nothing in life is promised forever. but this moment is here now. You cannot stop loss from happening one day, but you can choose how you live today. You can choose to love without holding back, to enjoy without counting the end, to breathe and remind yourself that right now you are okay. Fear of losing does not mean you will lose. It means you are alive. It means your heart is open. And even though the fear can hurt, it also reminds you of what truly matters. And that, in its own quiet way, is a beautiful thing.